with 8 legs. They were first described by the German pastor J.A.E. Goeze in 1773. The name Tardigrada was given 3 years later by the Italian biologist Lazzaro Spallanzani. Tardigrades are classified as extremophiles, organisms that can thrive in a physically or geochemically extreme condition that would be detrimental to most life on Earth. For example, tardigrades can withstand temperatures from just above absolute zero to well above the boiling point of water, pressures about 6 times stronger than pressures found in the deepest ocean trenches, ionizing radiation at doses hundreds of times higher than the lethal dose for a human, and the vacuum of outer space. They can go without food or water for more than 10 years, drying out to the point where they are 3% or less water, only to rehydrate, forage, and reproduce. Usually, tardigrades are about 0.5 millimeters long when they are fully grown. They are short and plump with 4 pairs of legs, each with 4 to 8 claws, also known as discs. The animals are prevalent in mosses and lichens and feed on plant cells, algae, and small invertebrates. When collected, they may be viewed under a very low-power microscope, making them accessible to students and amateur scientists. Tardigrades form the phylum Tardigrada, part of the superphylum Ecdysozoa. It is an ancient group, with fossils dating from 530 million years ago, in the Cambrian period. The first tardigrades were discovered by Johann Augusti from Goeze in 1773. Since 1778, over 1,150 tardigrade species have been identified. Description: Johann Augusti from Goeze originally named the tardigrade Kleine Werbe, meaning little water bear, in German. The name Tardigrada means slow walker and was given by Lazzaro Spallanzani in 1773. The name water bear comes from the way they walk, reminiscent of a bear's gait. The biggest adults may reach a body length of 1.5 millimeters, the smallest below 0.1 millimeters. Newly hatched tardigrades may be smaller than 0.05 millimeters. About 1,150 species of tardigrades have been described. Tardigrades occur throughout the world, from the Himalayas to the deep sea and from the polar regions to the equator. The most convenient place to find tardigrades is on lichens and mosses. Other environments are dunes, beaches, soil, and marine or freshwater sediments, where they may occur quite frequently. Tardigrades often can be found by soaking a piece of moss in spring water. Anatomy and morphology. Tardigrades have barrel-shaped bodies with 4 pairs of stubby, poorly articulated legs. Most range from 0.3 to 0.5 millimeters in length, although the largest species may reach 1.2 millimeters.